Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am at Club CVS. So listen, y'all. Wasn't feeling very motivated today. I'll be honest. I will say that. At the same time, as I was like, I definitely have some extra care bucks I need to burn. Definitely wasn't feeling very motivated today, but I am here at, again, Club CVS. Anyways, listen, I'm just really trying to just psych myself into this video. All right, so Saving with Shay, we're here at CVS for another week of deals. If you're new here, definitely don't forget to subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the videos.
The situation that's been going on at CVS is apparently dead. Emphasis on apparently dead. Okay, so with that being said, let's get some awesome deals.
I went ahead and did a small transaction really quick to see if I would get a CRT, a spin CRT, and I did. I got 10 off of 70, so I'm gonna see if I can put together a nice, healthy transaction and use that. So let's get into the first girl. It's buy 2 get back 6. Limit 1. So of course we're gonna grab the cheapest thing we can find, which is these perfect blend pencils priced at $4.99. And we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them, and they are fully stocked, y'all, fully stocked. So we're gonna grab 2 of these at $4.99 each. Is gonna be a total to $9.98. We're gonna use 2 of these $2 coupons from our inserts. That'll bring our total down to paying $3.98. We'll get back to 6, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. So this next one I'm gonna add is gonna be on the Kotex. So Kotex are buy 1 get 1 50% off. They're also buy 2 get back 2. Looks like limit of 1. So we're gonna grab these down here. They are priced at $1.89, and I checked online to make sure that they qualify, and it looks like they do. All right, so we're gonna grab 1 at $1.89. That second one is gonna be 94 cents. The total is gonna come to $2.83, and then we're gonna get back the $2 extra care buck, making them only 41 cents each. All right, guys. So the next deal that we're gonna be grabbing is gonna be on the Dove. It is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and it's also buy 4 get back 10. So for this, I'm gonna grab the Dove Advanced Care right here. They are priced at $8.49 for the first one. The second one is going to be $4.24. I'm going to go ahead and grab 4. That total is going to come to $25.46. And then we're going to try to use 4 of these coupons that we just got in our inserts. Now, I'm not sure if the 4 off of 2 is going to attach or not. If not, then we'll still end up paying $13.46 and getting back the 10, so it'll be $3.46 for all 4 of them, or only 82 cents each. Again, if that digital attaches as well, it will make them all free, plus like a 50-something cent moneymaker. And so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is a spin 30 get back 10. It's a household deal. We're gonna start off with the Dawn Power Wash. It's priced at $5.99. For this, we do have a digital for $3.99. Now, I also still have a BOGO coupon as well, so we're gonna see if I can use both of those. So we're gonna grab 2 of those, and then we're gonna run down here. Be grabbing is gonna be the Downy Unstoppables, priced at $5.49, and for that, we do have a $1 digital right there. And then the last thing I'm gonna be grabbing is gonna be the Tide is $12.99, and for this, I'm gonna see if I can use this $3 printable right here. Now, if I can't use this one, then I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the pods, which are the same price, and for that one, I do have a digital. So let me show you what this deal is gonna look like. The total is gonna be $30.46, and then again, we're using the digital off of the Dawn, which is $3.99. The printable for the Tide, which is $3, and then the $1 digital off of the Downy. So this should bring our total down to $22.47. We'll get back the 10. It'll bring these down to about $3.11 each. Now we're really hoping that that digital for the Dawn attaches as well. Well, let's go check out and see what happens. So this is what this transaction looks like. So I added the Snicker bars because they are 2 for $2, and we have a $1 off of 2 CRT, so it makes them 50 cents each. So I added that because I was like $1 away from 70, and that put me at 71. All right, so everything worked out perfect, you guys. Now, I did have to swap out the Tide Pods for that liquid because the coupon wasn't scanning. The first time she did the transaction, it scanned, but the second time it didn't. And so, swapped it out the second time around. And so, yes, I was expecting my total to be $34.01. And it was less than that. So there goes the Snicker bars at the very top, 2 for $2 again. The Tide pods, there goes the Downy, there goes the 2 Dawns, there goes the Dove deodorants, the Kotex, and the CoverGirl. All right, all my coupons scanned. There goes the digital for the Dawn, so that one also attached. There goes the Tide Pod digital, there goes the Downy digital, and there goes, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I had there was 2 Dawn digitals on here that came off. Because I only had one that I know of, and then I had the paper coupon, which you guys see, which is right there, $3.99. So it actually came off twice. So that's cool. And then there goes the 10 off of 70. There goes the 1 off of 2 on the Snicker bar. And then I rolled $29.75 in extra care bucks. That $5 got adjusted to $4.75. And so it nets everything here at $1.75, which is not bad because we got Dove. And the coupons, they did work on this one. This is the one that I got, so this is the only one I know for sure that it works on. And so we ended up paying $29.75, and then I got back a total of $28. And the printer, yeah, it did some funny business. But we got back $28 in extra care bucks, so it nets everything you see here at $1.75, which is definitely not. All right, guys, so here is my haul for today. Shout out to CVS for coming through for your girl. So listen, I didn't do a whole lot today, but I did want to try some things as well, and so I only did 2 cards. I did the household with the Dawn and the Downy. So one transaction I did 2 Dawns, the Tide Pods, and then the Downy the Unstoppables. That transaction, as you guys saw in the previous clip, the $3.99 for the Dawn came off twice as a digital, and I used a coupon. So I actually saved $3.99 times 3 for that deal. So I went to a different store that had more Dawn in stock, and I tried 4 Dawns. And I picked up 4 Dawns with the Downy liquid, which is $6.49. All right, only one $3.99 came off, which was fine. I did use 2 paper BOGO coupons as well for that deal, and then I had a $1 digital for the Downy. For that deal, you would pay $17.98. You'd get back the 10, so it net that transaction at $7.98 for all 5 products, are only $1.59 each, which is still not a bad deal. What else did I go over? Oh, I didn't go over this. I bumped into one of you guys today. I see you every week, girl. And I got this idea from her. All right. So with this deal, what I did is, and it's crazy because I just did my binder. I just did my binder last night and threw away these coupons. So yeah, luckily they were in a box in the recycle trash can. So your girl definitely grabbed them out. But when I was at the store earlier, she gave me a couple coupons, so I was able to make this deal work. So the refills here are priced at $5.99. So are the oils, and it's buy 3. I think it's buy 3, get back 3, or spend 15, get back 3. I grabbed 2 of the cans at $5.99, and I used this BOGO coupon right here, which took off $7. And then I grabbed the oils, and for that one I used this coupon right here. All right. And so for that particular transaction, it ended up coming down to $6.97 out of pocket, and then getting back 3, which nets them at $132 each, which is not bad. Now, I did see on Instagram somebody had bought 3 of these and used these, which is an option as well. But this morning, I only had a couple of these to use, so I just made it work like this. And then I was kind of crossing my fingers that the digital might come off as well, but it didn't because maybe there wasn't enough for it to come off, obviously, because they're only $6 each. 6 and 6 is 12. So if I had grabbed the third one, it would have probably come off, maybe. But that was that deal. And then I think that was it, you guys. So everything else worked out really good as far as today. I did the candy bars twice, and I'm surprised that they all still here intact, because your girl was a greedy. I'm greedy, and I'm surprised at least 2 of them ain't gone. I did CoverGirl twice, and I did the Dove. Dove worked out good. I did not have the $4 off 2 digital attached, but someone I bumped in today, for her, she only grabbed 2 of these and 2 men's, and it did attach with the 2 paper coupons. So, but for me, I just grabbed this one, and I used 4 coupons. It did not attach. Other than that, you guys, so everything you see here retails $134.46. I had $72.95 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $61.51. And then I walk away with $49 in extra care bucks. And so it nets everything at $12.51, or only 44 cents each. I think it's a really, really good price. Now for this, I did have a 4 off of 40, and I had a 10 off of 70. Other than that, you guys, everything was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Awesome, awesome haul. Awesome little deals here. I'm definitely not done. Other than that, Josiah, what's your emoji suggestion? Well, come over here. I can't hear you, bug. A smiley face. Okay, so as you heard it, Josiah's emoji, if you got to this point in this video, is a smiley faced emoji. Right, Bug? Both? There's a ton of smiley face emojis though, right?
No, this one.
You want the one with his mouth closed?
And this one too.
And the one with his teeth showing? Okay, y'all. So 2 emojis. The smiley faces, one with his mouth closed, smiling, and one with his teeth showing, smiling. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.